Welcome back to RunmanReCords design. Today we show you small entryway floor ideas. Small entryway floor ideas that maximize style and functions. Your home's entryway sets the whole tone. For small entryways, his first impression is huge. The right flooring choice can either make your space feel cramped or open. A well-chosen flooring serves dual purposes. It provides durability and is easy to clean, while also boosting the room's looks. Small entryways often face unique problems. There is limited space, potential for clutter, and a constant need for towed materials. Foot traffic can be heavy. Likely, the best flooring can make a tiny entryway seem much bigger. It also feels more inviting and simpler to keep tidy. Durable and easy to clean flooring options for high traffic entryways. Natural stone tiles, timeless elegance. Natural stone tiles offer a classic beauty. They are naturally durable, perfect for busy entryways. Stone easily handles dirt, moisture, and wear. It holds up well over time. Types of stone. Think about slate, travertine, or limestone for your home. Slate gives a rustic, earthy feel with deep colors. Travertine offers warm, creamy tones. Limestone is softer, providing a subtle, elegant look. Each has a unique texture and color. Porcelain and ceramic tiles, versatile and practical. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are super versatile. They come in many styles and are budget friendly. These tiles offer excellent practical benefits for any entryway. They are a smart choice for a busy home. Wood look and stone look options. You can find these tiles mimicking real wood or natural stone. This gives you a high-end look without the cost. It's also a more durable choice than true wood in a wet area. You get beauty and toughness. Water and stain resistance. His tiles stand up to moisture. They are great for trekking in rain or snow. Spills clean up quickly too. This makes them ideal for an active entryway. Grout considerations. Pick a darker grout color to hide dirt, or use epoxy grout for extra stain protection. This keeps your floor looking new for longer. Good grout work makes a big difference. Conclusion. Your flooring choice truly impacts a small entryway. It changes how the space feels and how well it works. Remember, the right floor can make your home's entrance shine. When picking your small entryway flooring, think about durability first. Then consider styles that make the space feel bigger. Use smart techniques to enhance the area. With his ideas, you can create a welcoming and super practical first impression for your home. Thanks for watching. Share his best small entryway flooring ideas with your friends. See you soon. You watched a video on the Design and Decor channel RunmanReCords Design.